children, welcome to your numeracy class. Today, here in our numeracy class, we are going to learn about before, after and between numbers. Before, after and between numbers. Let us see what does it mean. So children, now I'm going to tell you what is the meaning of before. What is the meaning of before? Before matlab pehle. Okay. So what is the meaning of before? We are going to see here. Look at this ice cream shop. This is an ice cream shop. It has many ice creams for everyone. Now here is a mouse. This mouse wants to have an ice cream. So he is in the line. In the line after the mouse there is a cat. Now this cat will get the ice cream after the mouse. Okay. Now there is a dog also in the line. Now they are in a line and they are going to get this ice cream one by one. Okay. So in this line let us see who is before this dog. Who is immediately before this dog? I would say the cat is before this dog. Okay. The cat is before this dog. Now tell me in this line, who is before this cat? Who is before this cat? Means who will get the ice cream before the cat? The rat, the mouse will get the ice cream before the cat. So this is the meaning of before. पहले dog के पहले cat है तो the cat is before the dog and the mouse is before the cat. Mouse cat के पहले है. Okay, cat के पहले mouse को आइसक्रीम मिलेगा. So mouse is before the cat. Now let us see what does after means. Okay, what is after? Let us see. So, this is the mouse. Who is after the mouse in the queue? Who is after the mouse? The cat is after the mouse. The cat is after the mouse. And who is after the cat? After the cat? The dog is after the cat. The dog is after the cat. So the cat will get the ice cream after the mouse and the dog will get the ice cream after the cat. So this is after. After means baad mein. Before means pehle. Now let us see between. What does between mean? Between means in the middle. So tell me who is between the dog and the rat? Who is in between them? Between the dog and the rat? A cat is there in the line between the rat and the dog. The cat is in between. So this is easy, right? Now let us learn this concept with the help of numbers, because today's learning is all about learning after, before and between numbers. Okay. So now let us learn about before, after and between numbers. Before, after and between. Before. Let us see with the help of the number what is before. This is 1 and 2. So what comes before 2? Which number is before 2? Which is the before number of 2? 1. 1 is before 2. 1, 2, 3, right? Now let us guess numbers who are before in the number line. Okay, we will see the number line and we will guess the numbers which are before. So which number is before 3? There is a number line given at the top. Look at the number line and tell me which is the number before 3. Which is the number before 3? 2 is the number before 3 in the number line. 2 is before 3. Now, which number comes before 6? Look in the number line. Which number comes before 6? 5. 5 comes before 6. 5 comes before 6. Now, the number is bigger now. 15. Now, look at the number line and tell me what comes before 15. The number before 15 is 14. This is 14. Now 26. Look at the number line. Which number is before 26? Which number is before 26? 25 is before 26 in the number line. Do you see the number line? 25 comes before 26. Now 33. Find the 33 in the number line above. Look at the top. 33. What comes before 33? What comes before 33? 32 comes before 33. 32 will. Now let us guess after numbers. Okay, let us see after numbers. This is 3 and this is 4. So what is after 3? Which number is after 3? Which is the after number? 4 is after 3. 4 is after 3. So let us guess some after numbers. 5. Now which number will come after 5? After. Look at the number line and tell me which number is coming after 5. 5, 6, yes, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. Okay, so 6 come after 5. 7. What number comes after 7? What comes after 7? Number 8 comes after number 7. Number 8 comes after number 7. Now, what comes after 15 in the number line? Look at the number line, okay? Look at the number line and tell. Which number after 15? Which is the number after 15? 16 is the number after 15. 16 is the number after 15. Now look at this number 24 and look at the number line. 24, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25 comes after 24. What comes? 25. After 24, 25 will come. Now, look at the number line and there is number 31. What comes after 31? What comes after 31? What comes after 31? Yes, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 like that. Okay, 31 के बाद में 32. Now between. Look, there is 4, 5 and 6. Tell me which number is between 4 and 6? Which is the between number? 4, 5, 6. Which is between 4 and 6? 5 is between 4 and 6. 5 is in the between of 4 and 6. Now, let us guess some between numbers. It's a game of guessing and I like it. So, between 2 and 4, look in the number line. 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes between 2 and 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you know that, right? Between 2 and 4 comes the number 3. Very good, children. Now we are going to look at the number line and guess another one. 7 and 9. Look in the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes between 7 and 9? 7, 8, 9. Yes, number 8 will come between 7 and 9. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now which number comes between 18 and 20? Above is the number line. Tell me 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 20. What comes between? What comes in between 18 and 20? 19 comes between 18 and 20. Correct, children. Very nice. You are doing a very good job. Now 21 and 23. We have number 21 and we have number 23. Look at the number line and tell me what do you see in between them in the number line. 21 and 23. What comes in between? 22 comes between. 22 will come in between. Now 34 and 36. 34 and 36. Which number comes in between 34 and 36? Look in the number line. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, 35 is the number. Yeah, 34 and 36. The number in between is 35. So children, this is it. This is the concept. Now let us move towards our book. So quickly open your book. Now we are going to do some exercise based on before, after and between numbers. So children, first of all, I want you to open page number 44 here. Open page number 44 and we are going to do the next number exercise, okay? Do with me, do this with me, okay? Which numbers comes after the first? Color the correct fish. So, which number comes after first? Which is the number? This is the first number, 18. What comes after 18? 18, 8, no, 18, 19. Okay, you can also start counting from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, not 16, not 8, it is 19. So you are going to color this number with your favorite color. Okay, color that up. So this is how you are going to do it. Now, next question. Circle the number that comes after the first. Circle the number that comes after the first. This is 15. Which is the after number? Which number comes after 15? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we are going to circle 16. Now this number 44. What comes after 44? So after 44 comes 46, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, no, 45 will come. Okay, so we are going to circle it. If you are getting confused, you can use your notebook where have you written your numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, you have written it in your notebook and it also in your textbook. So you can use this list to see which number will come next in the beginning. But then you have to do it by yourself only. Now these two questions you have to do as a homework. Here this is homework, okay? But this is classwork, so please put CW here. So now I'm on the next page. I'm going to put CW here also. CW. Now look at the numbers in each row. Okay, each row. Look at the numbers in each row. Circle the pairs that are in the correct order. So what do you mean by pair? Pair means two numbers which are in correct order. Okay, like 1 and 2, not 2 and 1. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 2 are in correct order. Then 2 and 3 are in correct order. Like this we have to do. Okay. So 21, 22 are in correct order. 22, 20. No. 22, 23 hota hai. So no. 20, 24. No. You have to see each number with each number. Okay. 22, 20, then 20, 24, then 24, 26. Like this you have to see. So 22, 20. No. Not right. 20, 24. No. After 20, 21 comes. Not 24. 24, 25. No. This is 26. There should be 25. So no. Now let us look here. 33, 32. No. 32, 33 hota hai. 31, 32, 33. So this is not the correct order. Now 32, 34. No. 32, 33, 34. Okay, so there is no 33 here. 34, 35. Oh yes, 34, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 will come. Nothing will come in between them. And they are in right order. So I'm going to circle them like these. 35, 38. Don't leave 35. Okay, we have to see each number with each number. 35, 38. No, 35 and 36 will come. 35, 36. So this is wrong. We are not going to make any circle here. Now 41, 40. No. This is reverse. This is backward. Okay, so we are not going to circle this. Then 40, 47. 40 के बाद में 41, 40, 41. 41 comes after 40. Then 40, 47. 47, 48. 47, 48. 48, 42. No, 48 के बाद 49 आता है. No, गलत. Now 51, 52. Yes. 52, 55. No, 52 के बाद में 53 आता है. No, sorry, don't make this circle. Okay, this is wrong. Now 59, 60. Oh yes, 59, 60 is a pair. We got a pair here. 59, 60. After 59 comes 60. 51, 52, 53. 51, 52, 53. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 60. Yes, this is a pair. Now, this is the line of 70. Let us count from 70. 70, 71, 72. No, this is not a pair. 72, 73, 74. No, 72 and 74 is not a pair. Here comes 73. 74, 75. Yes, this is a pair. So I'm going to circle it. 75. 76. No, here is 80. There is no 76 here, so I'm not going to circle it. But now this last line you are going to do by yourself. Okay, do it by yourself. Now this is the time for before numbers. Before matlab pehle. Okay, so circle the number that comes before the first. Okay, so what is 33 comes before 34, है ना? 33 comes before 34. So we are going to circle 33 if they are asking us 34 के पहले कौन सा number आता है. Okay, so now we are going to do this. Look at the number. This is 37. We have to look this numbers and have to find the before number of this from here. Okay, this is the pair number 37. What comes before 37? Count. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Yeah. 36, 37. Yes, so 36 will come. You can always keep your notebook here, writing numbers from 1 to 100, or your textbook to see the numbers if you are getting confused. But try to do that by yourself. Okay. 51. Now the number is 51. This is an orange. Look in which orange the before number is there. What comes before 49? 51? 49? 49, 50, 51. No, there is a 50 in between. So, 50, 51. Yes, 50 will come. Okay, now this is 72. What comes before 72? Let us count from 70. 70, 71, 72. Yes, 71 comes before 72. Okay, so we are going to circle it. Now this you are going to do by yourself. I am going to put a CW here. Okay, now let us do this. I am going to do some hard numbers for you, and you are going to do all the others by yourself. Write the number that comes before. Before 10 comes 9. Okay, like this. 23. What comes before 23? Let us see what comes before 23. 22 comes before 23. So what comes before 23? 21, 22, 23. So 22 comes before 23. So I am going to write 22 here. Okay. What comes before 47? 47. What comes before 47? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Yes, 46 comes before 47. Okay. Now what comes before 80? 80, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80 के पहले 79 आता है. Okay, 8 के पहले 7 आता है and 0 के पहले 9. Okay, so 79 will be the 79 will be the answer for this. 80. The before number for 80 is 79. The before number for 68 is 67. Okay. So this is how you are going to do this. Before numbers. This part I have completed. This part you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now, page number 48. Page number 48, I am doing this after thing. Okay, we have learned that after matlab baad mein. What is after 21? 22 comes after 21. 22 after 21. 22 comes after 21. 25 comes after 24. Okay, so now what comes after 71? Count karo. 71, 72, 73. Yes, here is 72. So we will color this here. Okay, color this up. You can color it with blue. Okay, I do not have blue color, so you just color it with blue. Now 99. What comes after 99? This is exciting. What comes after 99? 99, 100. 100 comes after 99. Everybody knows. Now we are going to color 100 with a nice color of your choice. Now what comes after 85? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Then comes 87. Okay, so let us color this 86. Okay. Now 57. What comes after 57? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 8. So we are going to color 58 here. I'm going to do some of the numbers from here. How to do them I will show you. Then you have to do all by yourself. Okay. So let us write CW on both of these pages. So I am keeping this with me. 20, what comes after 20? Count. 20, 21, 22. Yes, 21 comes after 20. 20 के बाद 21, 22, like this. Okay, so what comes after 44? What comes after 44? 45 comes after 44. Now this you will do by yourself. What comes after 96? 96, 95, 96, 97, 97 comes here. 97 comes after 96. Now what comes after 56? 56, 57 comes after 56. What comes after 44? 40, 44, 4 के बाद में 5, 45 will come after 44. So all the other numbers you can do by yourself. This I will do for you. 79, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. What comes after 9? 0. है ना, इधर 8 हो जाएगा 7 की जगह. Okay, so 80 comes after 79. 80, 79, 80. Now this one is easier one than anything else. I like between numbers very much. When there are two numbers, for example, between numbers, write CW. 22 comes between 21 and 23. 21 and 23. What comes between 21 and 23? 22 comes between 21 and 23. Okay? Between. This is between. So let us write the numbers. Write the numbers which comes between 19 and 21. 19 and 21 के बीच में क्या आता है? क्या आता है? 19, 20, 21. Okay, so 20 will come here. Okay? 77, 79. What comes in between? 77, 70. What comes? 8. 78 will come here. Okay, so this is how you are going to do this. Now this too you will do by yourself. You can do that. Now CW, color the number that comes between. Color the number. Now there are two numbers given which are not colored, and these are two numbers which are our numbers. We have to find the number between it, this or this, which is the between number of 11 and 13. We have to find like this. 11 and 13. What comes in between? 12 or 16? Let us count from 11. 11, 12, 13. Yes, 12 comes. So let us color 12 here. Let us color the boundaries of this circle, right? Like this. I'm liking to color it. Okay, let us color. You can color it full also, but I'm coloring it in a pattern. Now, here, you will do this one by yourself. I will do this for you. 38 and 40. इन दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर आएगा in between? 38. Count करो. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so let us color 39. Okay, you will color it. Great. I'm liking to color it. Yes. So this is it. So we have done the between numbers also. So children, finish this pages, all the pages completely. Okay, and send me the images on my personal WhatsApp number. Let us finish all this exercise quickly. This is very much fun. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.